Hey, I'm Mark.
Mariel.
And it's my turn today. So last time we got brutally murdered by everyone, everywhere.
That seems to happen a lot in this game, based on what I've seen from other people.
Yep, it's a game for true Pokemon fans who can step up to the plate and show their Poke skills.
That's not what I heard, but okay, sure. We could say that for fun.
Listen, Meryl, gaming is about separating the cans from the cannots. That's the true nature of the beast we live in. And the sooner you get with it, the sooner you hit with it.
It's about separating the cans from the bottles. You know,
that's
the broken bottles. They're made of glass.
Meryl, that's recycling. That's making the earth green.
Which is
I don't get why people are talking about. Oh, Jabota.
It's a Pika clone.
I wanna.
Just like your little Alvin there.
All right, let's.
I love it though.
I'm gonna die.
Nice.
Oh wait.
What?
Might not be that bad for me.
I want that. It's like Sonic meets Pikachu. What do you think? What do you think that would be called?
Sonic shoot. No, Peakick.
It would be iconic.
I'm feeling more of a cross
like,
between Sandslash and Sonic.
Or
like a Sonislash.
Yeah, but where's the electric? He's electric type. Sonic's not electric type, and neither Sandslash. So where'd that little recessive gene come from?
I don't know.
Oh, it's more like Mighty the Armadillo.
Yeah. So it's agreed. It's Mighty Armadillo and Sandslash.
Well, we still need the electric part.
How do we know it's electric?
Because he's got. He's yellow.
Look at that parrot.
That's adorable. He's so friendly. Look at him. He wants to be your friend.
Oh, it's fire type.
Oh, it's a fire. It's a fire
oh,
bird.
wow. I need to make some changes. Man, you're worthless. You're level 5. What the heck? Sure, I'll send a fighting type against a flying type. I know what I'm doing.
It's fighting against fire, which, yeah, that's not fair.
Fight. Fury swipes. Nope. Nope. I ain't going down this soon. Yes.
Nice.
We win.
2.
It's okay, I'll bring in a low kick. And I die.
Cool. The HP seems a little small. We're gonna have to start doing what I do, where you pick a low-level Pokemon. This is in the absence of experience share. You pick a low-level Pokemon as your top slot, and then when you start a battle, you immediately switch to the one you want to use, and that gives experience to the weak baby for doing absolutely nothing.
Yeah.
That's my go-to strat. Now that I have experience share on my game, I don't do that so much, but it's good to do.
Power the Scratch. Let's do Scratch. Don't you forget about me.
So you think that's like Pahar or like Pahar?
I think it's Pahar.
Pahar.
No, it's Pahar.
It's Pahar.
Saint. These chips ain't working out. Ugh. That's okay. We still got our good friend Bop.
We need some
Fight.
some water types.
Quick attack. Yeah.
Ooh, okay.
I just gotta get one more hit in.
Yeah. Quick attack.
Quick attack. I win. I win!
Thanks. Great. Awesome.
And I level up.
Yay! Excuse me.
Nice. Oh! He's gonna do it. He's gonna beat the big bird.
What?
He's gonna
it better be good.
He's gonna beat a big bird.
It better be good.
Big old birdie boy.
Oh.
Whoa. Abadan.
Neat.
I'm liking it. I'm liking it.
Well, like, one of my least favorite things in Pokemon ever is when the evolved form is...
Wait, let's get it. Let's get a good sniff of this poke.
Yeah.
Let's see what we got on our hands.
It's a... Aww, what a cute little song.
He's nice. I like him. Normal and flying.
I mean, I kind of like the previous form better, but that's okay.
Boost move power when the Pokemon moves last. That's interesting. So, does it not have good speed then?
27.
I'm gonna go heal.
Yeah, okay.
Also, my team can be better.
Yeah, we need some water types. Like, what is it? We have a fighting,
I have a Magikarp. Wait, there's a Lotad earlier. Lotad, I think, is part water.
Yeah, but we couldn't catch it for some reason. Or did we?
We didn't.
Yeah.
Let's go back to that Lotad.
We gotta go find a Lotad to catch.
I mean, I wanted that Lotad the moment I saw it.
Yeah, it just didn't happen.
Stardust. Alright. Let's see here. Oh, my first mistake.
Man, this is gonna suck. Good thing you healed. Let's see what you're drawing. Probably from a game.
Gonna fight ya.
Oh boy.
Tickle. Use tickle.
Whoa. What? Oh, because he's level 9.
I'll tickle you again. And I died. Oh well.
Nice.
You wasted your critical hit there, buddy. Buddy boy.
Get Bop in there. Against a fighting type? Come on.
We're gonna do this. Low kick. I'll show you what it's like
Oh boy.
to get low kicked.
Oh, okay.
I got it. And I lost. But
Get Bop in there!
Bop's too strong. I wanna buff up these dudes.
Oh, I see. Okay, I get it.
Alright. So, Rock Smash.
Fun thing about fainting is they don't get any HP.
What?
I mean, EXP.
I got just Chuck Norris.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. There, I win. Goodbye.
Yay.
What should you get for killing half my team? Oh boy, another one. No, you're dead. You're on my list. You're on my hot list. You're gonna get my hot mail. Let's see. Gonna get you.
Okay. It's fine.
Meryl, who's your Pokemon team?
Oh, my Pokemon team right now is...
No, I mean you personally, Mariel. The Pokeballs you have in your bedroom, what are in them?
Oh, it's mostly just like Pidgeys. And a Rattata. And then
I want there to be like an EDM trainer. Like an EDM Pokemon trainer.
That sounds like a gym leader.
And he has a Rattata.
No. That's bad.
Rattata.
I know, Mark. I got the joke.
Someone else might not have.
Okay. Are you explaining it for the people at home?
Yeah. Unfortunately, that rear portrait isn't as good.
It's alright.
Oh man, I've been caught.
Man, what's up with all these NPCs?
No, you can only play as one character.
Isn't this an MMO?
Well, even in an MMO, you can only play as one character.
Yeah, but everybody else is a player character.
But it's not your player character. Spawny. Ooh, look at him.
Aww.
Little speeder.
How cute.
Little speeder.
He died.
Man, so many new Pokemon. Cobblefly.
Oh, that's what our bugbear will turn into. It's kind of weird looking.
I'm down with it.
I don't like it. Excuse me.
Gonna learn Roost.
Roost is good. Oh my gosh. When I was grinding up for clay in Black 2, I ran into so many Tranquils and I got so sick of Roost. But it's great if you have it. It's just, it's terrible to fight this wild bird that I'm just trying to get past, and it keeps roosting.
I'll keep that in mind.
But Roost is really nice. Whoa.
Yeah, I'm like twice its level.
For like
These guys
not dying. Like we've been doing.
Switch this guy out for this guy. And
You might want to go heal up your buddies.
Okay, he's gonna have water types.
Wait, do we...
No, wait. Well, still, it's not great against my...
that thing.
Yeah. Scratch.
Whoa. That was intense.
I just got bulldozed. It's okay.
Yeah!
They're
Oh,
buds.
that's a noise.
Sand attack.
That's not an actual attack, Mark.
I know. Well, Bop, I didn't want to do this, but saved my day. Saved my hide.
Yeah, I've learned not to send in the strong one first.
Well, I haven't.
No, I mean to keep your strong boy for last, to back you up.
Yeah. I refuse to learn anything. It's like a policy of mine.
Clearly.
Ouch.
Where are you going?
Wait, I'm trying to remember where I found the Lotad.
Mark, you hardly have a team right now.
I've got my Bop.
Kitty. So you're just gonna black out.
No, not with Bop on the team. Look at this. Whammo.
Alright.
Ain't happening to me.
Mark, if we ever catch a... Oh, we have a Failing. Never mind. Mark, what do we name our Failing?
The perfect name.
Fritz?
Oh my gosh.
Right. I think we messed up. We're gonna have to start this whole thing over.
Wait, what's great about Fritz? I forget.
Well, Fritz Frailing, but it's failing, so it's Fritz.
Who's Fritz Frailing?
He's some animator guy. Who's Fritz? Who's this guy?
Don't have a hissy Fritz on me.
I don't know how to spell it. I'm just gonna spell it wrong, and...
It's like no music. It's all just...
it's... Oh, the music went out again. Great. Frizz, it's Frizz Frailing. He was an animator.
And?
He, oh my gosh.
So you said Frizz Frailing, I would have been like, I'm familiar with his work.
Look. No, you wouldn't have.
Is he a Disney guy?
No. He's a Warner Brothers. Hang on. I got some text on my screen I gotta X out of, and they keep popping up before I can actually read this article.
You're just so popular.
No, it's my friend.
With one person.
They're venting. Or it might be an entire conversation we had earlier. I don't know which.
Well, oh, push bullet.
Yeah, this is a conversation we had. No, this is Mighty Text. This is a conversation we had like 2 days ago. I haven't been on the computer much.
What a nerd. Haven't been on the computer much.
What? It's a little birdie called depression.
Oh. Well, we love you, Meredith.